In this video, I will show you how you can put your photos in folders on any iPad. Now to do that, first of all, just go to Photos, then go to the Collection section. From here, just tap on Albums, then tap on the plus icon on the screen to create a new album. Now just select a new album, and from here, just give a name to the album which you're creating. For an example, I will name it this, then just tap on Create. Now after you create your folder, then just tap on Library, and from here just tap on Select. Now from here just select the photos which you want to put in a folder. For example, I will select these photos, and after that just tap on the three dots on the screen. From this menu, just select Add to Album, and from this albums list, just select the album which you have created. And after you do that, you will move the selected photos to the album which we have created. As you can see, if I go to the collections, this is the album or the folder which I have created. Now, if you want to create a folder in the Files app of your iPad, and if you want to put your photos in that folder, so in that case, just tap on the photo which you want to put in a folder in the Files app, then tap on Share. From this menu, just scroll down and select Save to Files. And in the Photos app, just go to the location where you want to create your folder, then tap on the folder icon to create a new folder. Now just give a name to this folder. For an example, I will name it this. Then just tap on Save. Then just select Save. Now after you do that, you will move the selected photo to the folder which we have created. Now you can do that for all the other photos on your iPad, just like that. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the Files app, now let's go to the location where we have saved our photo. As you can see, this is the folder which we have created, and these are the photos which we have added from the Photos app to the folder in the Files app. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.